What's up guys, Moustafa here from Flow Health Club at Mövenpick Grand Al Bustan. Remember guys, do not start your workout without proper warm-up. Proper warm-up, it's very essential to have safe workout, and it's very good to heat your body and start your cardiovascular system. Thank you. Alright guys, today we'll talk about a few exercises that you can do it for your abs. Simple and easy, but it's serious for the result as well. Alright, ladies, let's start by Russian twist. Let's go, ladies. Nice. Very good. Super. Excellent. Keep going. Good job, Jasmeen. Super, Sara. This is the first one. Stay with us for next one. Thank you. Second exercise, guys, cycles. And remember, each exercise you can do 3 sets, either set by reps, which is 15 reps, or by seconds. Let's say 30 seconds exercise, 30 seconds break. All right, let's start, ladies. Cycles, go. Super. Fantastic. Target by your elbow, other knee. Right elbow to left knee, left elbow to right knee. Fantastic, ladies. Third one, regular plank. Ladies, let's go. Plank, guys, you can start by 30 seconds at least at the start, and then you can increase it for 45 seconds, minute, whatever you can. As much as you can as well. Hold, contract your abs. Very good. Keep going. And done. Last one, guys. Chair crunches. Ladies, let's go. Leg position should be 90. All right? Your head should not touch the ground. Keep going, ladies. You can do for 30 seconds or 45 seconds, then break the same, either 30 seconds or 45 seconds. 3 or 4 sets, as much as you can. You can do it wherever you want, guys. Even in the office, you can handle it. Super, ladies. Keep going.
Enough.
Give me 500. Excellent. That's it.